everyone, my name is Rella Dinesh from CSITA section. From CSITA section in software quality assurance and testing, my techtalk concept is software process versus design quality tug of war. In this presentation, we will see about software process and what is a design quality and the difference between them. Okay, now we'll see. Second, what is a design software process? In this design software process, we are having many software process like agile model, waterfall model, iteration model, iterative model, uh, rapid development model. These are all the process model. Each process model is different from each other and their characteristics also different. Each model is suitable for uh, one type of developing the software. For different type of software, for different process models are used. Okay, this is the software process model which is used to detect the flow of the process and based on the requirements of client, this software process will be chosen or opted. Now we'll see what is understanding the design quality. Design quality refers to the attributes of a software product that contribute to the user satisfaction and functionality. Key aspects including usability, performance, and scalability and maintainability, which collectively ensures the robust user experience. Normally, what is a design? Design is a model of anything, of a house, of a project, of a prototype. We can simply say it is a prototype. In this design quality, we will optimize the quality of a design. Means we will improve the we can say we will optimize the design which we have to make the eye catching design for the user, where user will simply attract to the design, not for the backend means functionality. Simply we can say improving the user interface, quality of a user interface. Now, it's importance of balancing the software development. Achieving a balancing between software process and design quality is a crucial for project success. An early rigid process may stifle creativity while neglecting design quality can lead to unsatisfactory end product, running user engagement and satisfaction. Importance of software development. In the software development, we have to balance the both our design quality and the software process, because if design quality is lesser, then if we focus on more on design quality, the project process will be ne- project will be low and the process will be not that much clear. And if we focus on project process of the project, instead of design quality, the design means the UI will be not that much attractive. If we are not balancing this both, definitely we will not have a satisfactory product. Now we'll see the key factors in software process. Phases of software development life cycle. The software development life cycle (SDLC) consists of several key phases. Requirement, as I said, requirement analysis, design, implementation, testing, deployment, maintenance. Each phase has a specific deliverable and objective. These phases are integrated with each other. These are done in systematical. Firstly, we have to require First, we have to gather requirements from the user. After that, analyzing that and designing based on the requirements and implementing the software by coding it. And after that, we have to test it. After all this done, we have to deploy it and maintenance. Agile versus waterfall methodologies. What is Agile model? Agile, simply I will say Agile model is a iterative combination of iterative model and sorry for that. Agile model. We can say Agile model is a combination of iterative model and incremental model, where this Agile model is widely used in this time, it's booming like everything. Every company wants only agile model, not waterfall model. Waterfall model is a older model where in olden days they are used waterfall model. In this, what drawback of this waterfall model is that uh, every in every phase the requirement must be clear for each phase. Requirements must be clear. It must be predefined. We cannot change in between. Whereas in agile model, if the client does not want this feature or this part of a software, we can remove it by using uh, iterative iterative model. And incremental model help us while the apps are updating. In this time we will use iterative model. This is how the agile model is differ from the waterfall model. Where waterfall model, if the project is done, it is done. We cannot interrupt in between. We cannot change anything. Whereas in agile model, we can simply change. That's why it is a combination of iterative model and incremental model. And incremental model is used for updating. It's where we can add the other features, simply where we can broken down our product into several stages. By using this model, we can easily sustain in the market. Rules of documentation and standards. Documentation means a set of rules. It consists set of rules and how this product is developed. All this information is merged in one documentation. It's known as a documentation. Is essential for maintaining clarity, consistency, and software process. How this product is developed, what are the processes are used, how these are developed, and what are the features of this product. All the information, and what is the maintainability, scalability on all SDLC information, and all software requirement. All information is merged in this. By using, instead of seeing all the stuff of product, simply if we open this documentation, we can easily understand what and how it's going on. Impact design quality. Principle of good design is a characterized by simplicity and clarity of user centric approaches. It prioritized functionality, ensuring the software is intuitive and meets the user needs effectively. Measuring the design quality. Design quality is assessed through the usability testing, coding, and maintainability metrics and user feedback, employing the standardized guideline. Like by based on this guideline, we have to design our product. Simply, we can say like that. Now, common design flaws and their consequences. Frequent design flaws like complexity, inconsistency, and poor accessibility hinder user experience. Such as issue can lead to increasing supportive and cost and diminishing the engagement. Simply, what will happen if the flaws are occurred in design, and what are their consequences? Normally, consequences are nothing but complexity will be increases, inconsistency will be occur, poor accessibility, poor user experience. This all will occur if flaws are there in design. These are all flaws. By these are all flaws. Tension between process and quality. Software process often emphasizing adhering to schedule and resources management potential compromising a design quality. Lack of flexibility in process model can lead to a suboptimal design decision that affect overall product performance and user satisfaction. Strategies strategies for integration. What are the strategies? In this slide, we will see what are the strategies to align the software process with design quality process, such as okay, it's going on. Quality practice such as iterative development and feedback loops are effective. Incorporative design reviews and stockholders' involvement throughout the process can enhance the decision making, ensures the quality standards. In this, uh, I said agile model is mostly used in nowadays. Okay, agile model, in this we have to take the feedback loops. If we feedbacks are, if any negative feedbacks, we have to work on them. After work on them, we will simply increase the quality of a product. If the quality of the product increases, our product demand of a product increases, and we will be in profit. That's it. It's simple, I suppose. It's simple as that, I will say. And it is teamwork too. Case studies and real world examples. Companies like Microsoft have adopted Agile model. Wait, okay. Companies like Microsoft have adaptable Agile methodologies to balance the process efficient product outcomes. Research demonstrates that teams practicing continuously integrating this end prototype achieves higher customers satisfaction and product successful rate. Case studies. These are the real world case studies. As the company Microsoft will uses this agile model, like big, larger multinational companies are using this agile models. That's why they are top notch companies and they are top companies. Thank you and have a nice day.